In this video, I'm going to show you how to add trusted places on your Android phone. So trusted places is a feature that is used by Extend Unlock and Identity Check. So they basically let your device know when you are in a trusted place, which will help your phone stay unlocked for a long period of time, or more features which are associated with it. Now on your Android phone, you want to open settings and scroll till you find location. Now tap on location and you see location services. Tap on this and it will bring you here. Here you will find trusted places. Simply tap on this, and if you have a lock on your device, it will ask you to unlock your device. This will bring you here. Here you can tap on go to settings if you want to get your current live location if you are in your trusted place. Now come here and tap on add trusted places and then tap on choose on map. This will find your device precise location. If it's a totally different address, you can tap on enter in the address section, and once you found the location, simply tap on confirm in this section. Tap on add here and it will be added as your device's trusted place. The features that depend on trusted places will be active. If you wish to delete a trusted place, you can always come back here and tap on delete. Proceed to delete and the place will be deleted. So that's how you can add trusted places on Android phone. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, share and subscribe.